Welcome. Hello, guys. So today we are gonna eat plantain fufu, the fresh one, the healthy one. Come along, let's do this together. We're using very green plantains, but we have to wash it first. COVID is still around. Now we're gonna peel it. So we peel all our plantains. I'm gonna slice it in 3 different ways. First, I'm gonna do the bigger slice. I say in smaller cubes, just like this. Second, I'm gonna use the carrot peeler. So it can blend smoothly. Now I'm using the grater. So choose whichever one you want. The end result is our special, delicious, healthy fufu. So we add everything to our blender gradually in batches. We add some water. Bring it to a blend. Look at that texture. Gradually add the rest of the plantains. And there you have it. Now let's look for our microwave bowl. With a pinch of salt. Mix and we microwave for the first 5 minutes. So easy when you're doing a microwave fufu. After 5 minutes, we mix it again. It goes back into the microwave for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Almost ready. Look at that texture. Very good for weight loss, for eye health, and the heart. So you just mold it, you serve, and enjoy. This is what people call swallow. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.